Hi, my name is Sabrina Mangelardo, and today we're going to learn how to identify the problems and the solutions in a piece of writing. Here are the steps you must follow in order to get the best answers. So first, to identify problems and main solutions is really easy. You have to follow the steps and apply it to a text first. The steps are the following. 1. Look for implied problems. 2. Look for problems to face. 3. Look for solutions people try to deal with each problem. And 4. Check out outcomes to the solutions. Finally, it will be helpful to create a chart in which you divide 3 columns named problems, solutions, and outcomes. This will make it much more organized. We will now apply the technique to a piece of writing called Mongol Rule in China, pages 336 and 337 in the textbook. After reading the paragraph and understanding it, I have gathered the information needed and colored for you to notice it. So you see, number 1, look for implied problems in bold. Mongol ways would not work in a sophisticated civilization like China's. Besides, the number of Mongols in China was few compared to the huge native population. Then I have colored in red the problems to face. Kublai would need to make use of non-Mongol officials to help him rule successfully. And Marco Polo was captured and imprisoned. That was a problem and they had to face it. Finally, in 3, look for solutions people tried to deal with each problem in green. Foreign trade increased under Kublai Khan. Traders transported Chinese silk and porcelain, which were greatly valued in Europe and Western Asia, over the Silk Roads and the other routes. And number 4 in blue, check out outcomes to the solutions. He restored to the Grand Canal and extended it 135 miles north to Beijing. Along its bank, he built a paved highway that ran some 1,100 miles from Jiangsu to Beijing. And Kublai further encouraged trade by inviting foreign merchants to visit China. Alright, identifying the different problems, solutions, and outcomes. So first, Mongol ways would not work in a sophisticated civilization like China's. Besides, the number of Mongols in China was few compared to the huge native population. The solution, Kublai would need to make use of non-Mongol officials to help him rule successfully. And the outcomes, most of the highest government posts went to the Mongols or to the foreigners. The Mongols believed that foreigners were trustworthy since they had no local loyalty. Another problem would be that Marco Polo was captured and imprisoned. A solution would be that a fellow prisoner gathered Polo's stories into a book. Even though it's not solving the problem, the outcome explains that today he is well recognized because a fellow prisoner gathered his book. So even though he was not released from prison, solving the problem, something good came out of it. Another problem will be economic struggle. The solutions, foreign trade increased under Kublai Khan. This was largely due to the Mongol peace, which made the caravan routes across Central Asia safe for trade and travel. And the outcome, traders transported Chinese silk and porcelain, which were greatly valued in Europe and Western Asia, over the Silk Roads and other routes. These traders also carried with them such Chinese products and inventions as printing, gunpowder, the compass, paper currency, and playing cards. And this is it for today, and this is how you get the main problems and the solutions in any piece of writing. You can apply it to any text.